Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? And hope you had a great week last week. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold, and as usual, I'll be starting up from the weekly time frame. And as you can see from the weekly time frame, throughout last week was mainly bearish. I was actually more expecting price to break this resistance level last week, but it didn't. Rather, it gave us a bearish signal. Even though I knew that was a possibility as well, and like I said in my last video, that this area will be a very key area for us. And if price breaks above it, then we're expecting price to continue to the upside. And if price gives us a bearish reversal there, then we're expecting price to go to the downside. And last week, price gave us a bearish reversal pattern over there, and that's why we're able to capitalize on the down move. So as you can see from the weekly time frame, price has formed this engulfing candle. So if you look at price action, you can see that price has ended up forming a lower high. So from this level here, price came down from this lower high here again, and then has bounced back up to this 4-hourly support level. So whether or not price will break this to the downside or bounce from here is what we'll be looking at this upcoming week. Now, if we go to, so as you can, like I said, this is a bearish candle that was formed last week. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price last week, when price got here, formed this engulfing candle all the way to the downside, bounced back up, formed this pin buy again, which is also a bearish signal, and moved strongly bearish as well up to this support level. As you can see, the price tested it several times for breaking, came down to test it, tested it again, and has tested it for the third time. So what I'm expecting, and comparing it to what we saw on the weekly time frame as well, is that on the weekly time frame, this generally formed an engulfing candle. So it could mean that price could continue to be bearish. But before that bearish move happens, there could be a slight retracement, as it's already happening here. Price could bounce possibly up to this level here before continuing its down move. So breaking this support level here as well, retesting it, and continue all the way down to this support level here to test it for the fifth time. So for me, this is what I'm expecting in the upcoming week. More of a bearish trade for price to continue to the downside. If we go to the 4-hourly time frame, hopefully that should show us clearly what to expect, because that is where we take our entry mostly from. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price looks like it's bouncing off resistance level, or support level rather, from here. Okay, and like I said, I'm expecting price to move up to this area here and give us a bearish signal from here, where we can sell all the way to the downside. On the other hand, if this area breaks and price continues to the upside to test this area again for the third time, then we'll be looking to take our trade here, whether a break of it or a reversal pattern again. Okay, so if there is a break of this level here, we could just expect a retest and the continuation to the top. All right, so for the upcoming week, this area here around the 1800 level, the 1810 level, I would say, to around the 1808 level is a very key area for us, where we'll be looking to capitalize on and see if price will break that area or not. So if price gets up to this level, gives us a bearish signal, then we will sell our trades to the downside. And if price breaks this level, we would wait for a retest. If price gives us a bullish signal on the retest, then we are going to buy. So we could easily sell from here if given a bearish signal, and at least we should be aiming to take our profit when price gets back to this level here. We could decide to take partial profit when price gets here, giving us about 190 pips on that trade. And if price further breaks this level, then we can and retest it, then we can enter more positions there to the downside, giving us more pips as well. Um at least that will give us another 200 pips. So all in all, if price makes this down move from here, we should be looking to make about 400 pips in total. But if price breaks this level to the upside, and rather than going this down move, then we'll just be looking to take our buy opportunities from here and take it all the way to the upside and see how we can capitalize on that as well. And that should give us, say, about 150 pips on that move. So this is what I'm expecting the upcoming week. This 1808 to 1810 level is our key area where we'll be looking for price reactions, either a buy trade or a sell trade, depending on what signal we get when price gets to this area. If we get a bearish signal, then we'll sell, and if price breaks the area to the upside and retest it, then we would, and gives us a bullish signal, then we would buy. So this has been my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.